What's up, everybody? We're gonna be playing some more Bubblegum Sim. I don't think we did a video on this. It's been a long time since I've done a video on Bubblegum Sim. Anyways, yeah. So, guys, I just got 100 million. Oh my God, it still keeps the. And there he is, my little brother, joining the game. Anyways. Guys, oh sorry. Doesn't work. Wait. 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 Guys, I'm sorry, this is gonna be a fail. Anyways, let's go. Nice. So, yeah. And okay, so I was trying to, do something with this, but then it complete failed. So, yeah, we're gonna show you it. Okay, so guys, we're gonna go and see if they have any other secret lands. I forgot to check. Secret one? Go through the block area. Oh. See, guys? Fail. Anyways, let's go. What? What?
The one, remember that overlord that you had? What? You don't have it anymore?
Oh,
Oh, can you count?
A bronze mouse. Okay, I'm gonna try to get a shiny bronze mouse to see what happens.
Oh, can I show you?
Wait, not yet. Anyways, guys, you know we're using headphones. Can you hear this?
Oh, wait, that's mine.
Come on, I didn't even get a bronze mouse.
Wait, no, can you go?
Oh wait, guys, let's go.
Can you go to that pet?
Go ahead and have it.
Why did you trade it?
I don't know, but anyways, guys, so sorry for that. Oh, brother, just need one more, guys. I'm not about to follow my brother. Eat. Okay. Got on the cabin. Because only 8 times the law. I'm better go. I have more cash than him. The only problem I have with him is that he only did it now, which is pretty good. So he's not actually. Okay, guys. I think we can make a golden, bronze mouse. Here we go. Okay. So what's the stats on this? Okay, so I'm going to go one. Yeah. Can you hear me? Go check. Yeah, I can hear you. However, now, I'm also going back up to become better than him. Let's see if his reaction is better than him. So, guys, yeah, I'm gonna reload him. So, yeah, I'll bring you back in there. Guys, sorry I did that, but I feel a little evil for doing that to you guys. Anyways, guys, leave a lot. Eat my dust, brother. I have everything better than him. This is how I should be. And my lines is being too hard. I hope he hasn't. What?
I'm such a noob.
How?
I didn't buy times 2 XP.
Oh God. Well, bad things happen. So guys, let me just quickly turn off bubble grab. I don't really need bubble gravity for now. So I want to do it. Almost everything. Okay, I'm gonna try to get up that mountain. Chocolate fudge. I'm not gonna. Oh, wait, do parkour. Somebody commented, do parkour. Okay, guys, that was cool. I might make a video of hide and seek. Oh god, no. Okay, so I'm better than him. Yeah, and so, guys, yeah, I don't know what that was, but, what was that? Anyways, who cares? I'm gonna try to really do this. Guys, I'm sorry I had to do it. Okay. Okay, so I'm about to get an award, I think. If I am correct, I'm gonna get an award for 25 million bubbles. I've never been able about you guys. But, there you guys go. Grandmaster. Guys, just for you guys. Trust me, that did take a lot of time, but look at this. Special thanks, Milko and 209. I can edit this with another. Okay. Beginner. Novice. 150. Smooth. 500. Advanced. 1K 250. Expert 2K 500. Stream Bubble. 7K 500. Home Specialist. 15,000. Level 45. Flat 100,000. 200,000. 700,000. 750,000. 1,700,000. 3 mil. 7 mil. And this is what we are at. 21 mil. It is simply insane. I want to try to get that. I don't feel like going to a public server because I mean, yeah. Oh. What? No, Alexi. I was right here spying on you. You know where I was? Hiding in the first place.
I actually saw you like right there. Like.
Oh yeah, well look where I was first, where you couldn't find me. No, do you want to play a round of hide and seek? Guys, trust me, that is nuts. Yes. Noah, come! Guys! Noah! Noah, come! Noah! Noah! Okay. So look, for the final round of the video, we're gonna play hide and seek. One round where I count, and one round for where you count. Just one round. Okay, so Noah.
No.
Yes.
Then you know who I am. It's not to hide and seek.
No, we are gonna first do. We're only gonna do one round of both of us counting. So Noah, unequip your pet so then it will be easier for me to find you. Oh, and of course I only blow 720. I don't believe it. How haven't I discovered that? Well, how can I not discover these? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Ready or not, here I come. coming for you. No, you could come look through my screen. Good. No, Noah! Come! So I get 3 hints.
Okay.
First hint. Are you in... Which land are you in?
No.
No, like... Oh, the normal one? Okay. Wait, no, I'm using my second hint already. Are you in one of the bonus lands?
I'm in one of the islands.
No, but are you in one of the bonus lands?
Yes.
Okay.
Is the bonus lands like the ones that you cannot go in?
No, the bonus lands are the, like, XP Island and Zen.
Oh, that was the one that I said.
Oh,
The
okay.
islands that you cannot go in.
Let's see where Mr. Sneaky Noah is. So you guys, yeah. Sorry if I did that. Let's see where he is. Yeah, yeet! Found ya! Okay, now you count. No, count here. Wait, no, fine. You can upgrade them while you're counting. I'm gonna go hide. Anyways, guys, I want you to subscribe, hit the like button, and yeah. So let's see what happens. No, you can come find me now. Or do you give up? Guys, just wait. We'll see what happens. Okay. It didn't let you teleport? No.
Yes, I saw
No,
that.
cause you're still in the line where you were counting. So guys, I only have a little bit of time, guys. You can't see it, but no, come on, you only have 1 minute. No, I'll even walk out for you. Oh. Crap, I'm gonna just hide here. I feel like he can find me. Oh, okay, yep. Okay, you go. Do parkour onto this stumble. Oh my god, this would actually be OP, but I don't want it. Noah! Okay. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna leave now. So yeah. Bye!